Hello friends, Rahul here. Today I want to show you how to make helical spring in Creoparametric. So get started. First of all, actually I have made this spring in Creoparametric. So we are going to make this one. So let's get started. Go to file, take new file. Here you can type your file name. After that, untick this use default template and OK. After that, select this template in millimeters. Here is your workplace. After that, click on axis, click on front plane. After that, click on control key on keyboard and simultaneously select right plane also, right return plane. After that, OK here. After that, for making spring we have to use this helical sweep command. So click on helical sweep. After that, you can see here reference pitch option properties. So click on reference, define it, and after that here you can see placement sketch plane. So we have to take this top plane. After that, sketch it and click on this sketch view. Here is your sketch view. After that, first of all, take this center line, click on center line and take a vertical center line. Okay. After that, take this line, draw any line like this. Okay. After that, click this scroll either side of this line. You can, if you wanted to check the dimension, so double click on it. Here is 170. I'm gonna make it 200 and click it. After that, like this, you can change all the dimension. After that, the process is done. After that, click on OK, and here is one option like create or edit section. So click on it. So click on circle command. Here draw this circle which is the section of our helical spring. Put it over here 30 diameter. After that, click on OK. Your spring will be ready. Of how much pitch, you can check your pitch here. Pitch is 42.80. If you wanted to change the pitch, click on this pitch option. Here is the pitch of starting point. Means here it indicates starting and ending points. If you add this pitch, you can see end point. Means here is the same pitch of starting point and end point. If you wanted more pitches, you can add it. So, and here is option by left hand rule. If you click on it, you can see here what is the changes. And after that, our spring is ready. Just click on this green mark. You can see that. Thank you for this watching video, friends.